I saw one of these advertised on, well, it wasn't advertised, somebody had put it up on Facebook a couple of weeks ago. And I thought, oh, I'll have a look at one of them. So anyway, I did. And that's it there. It's a 2-in-1. It's by, it was on Amazon. It's meant to be by a company called Mivi. Or a Mivi company or whatever. And it's meant to be an anti-snoring and air purifier. Well, anyway, it arrived this morning, and as soon as I put it on my nose, it fell apart. There is nothing inside except for a very, very thin piece of carbon mesh, which is, it comes all boxed like that, you know, properly boxed and packaged. Comes in a nice box with a nice leaflet, colour leaflet. And they expect you to pay £9 for this. Now, that's what I bought. Yeah. And it's not worth a light.
It's not worth the money.
It's not worth the money.
Seen him coming.
Yeah, they see me coming. But being Amazon, I've been on Amazon, and Amazon have done me a return. Now, if Amanda goes round, you see, what I've done for Amanda is I bought Amanda something. Yeah? And I bought this a couple of days ago for her. And it's perfect for her. But this I got for me to try out because I saw it on Facebook. And it's a total bunch of wank. They reckon it's a cure for sleep apnea. The only thing it'll do is probably kill you from the fumes. Wouldn't touch it with a barge pole, because it would literally. You're better off getting them strips that go across your nose and hold your nostrils out. You know, or getting one of them things to hold your mouth shut. But no, it's not worth a light. It says on the box, everyone sleeps peacefully. Yeah, right. Right. Catch you later.